Hello everyone, and welcome to our journey to Storybook Land. My name is Rose, and I'll be a captain and storyteller aboard the Cinderella. For your safety, we ask that you please remain seated through on our voyage, keeping your hands, arms, legs, and feet inside the boat at all times. Now, most people travel to enchanted worlds through the pages of a book, but those who go in person deal down a rabbit hole. We with some pixie dust find the way in to be quite magical. Or menacing, but only friends, so it looks like we're going to be down the monster of the whale, the same whale that swallowed Pinocchio. We're actually being transported into a magical place called Storybook Land. Our story begins with once upon a time. We're starting out with 3 little pigs and a big bad wolf who lives in a cave over here on my left. He's always huffing and puffing after the 3 little pigs who built their houses on the right. One is straw, one is fixed, and one is guaranteed wolf-proof brick. Right around the corner, our story takes a strange turn into a quaint English village home to Alice. One golden afternoon, she kissed the white rabbit down the rabbit hole and fell down into Wonderland. We can't get through this short from there. Such fantastic places were created to inspire storytellers like London Park on my right, where Peter Pan and the Darling children all flew to Neverland, where they would never ever have to grow up. And places like Agrabah, city of mystery and enchantment, where a street rat named Aladdin first bumped into Princess Jasmine in the marketplace and stole her heart. Through the power of love and the hope of a genie, they were married and live in their Sultan's palace today. These magical places in Storybook Land are where love blooms forever. Like the roses in the archways above us, the very ones where Aladdin and Jasmine soared over, sideways, and under on their magic carpet ride to a whole new world. While good stories are filled with love and light, they have their dark places as well, places of mystery, like the Cave of Wonders just ahead. Its treasure bears a curse that can only be lifted by the genie of the lamp. Legend says whoever frees the genie will be granted 3 wishes. Let's all make a wish and see if it comes true. Snow White wished for a safe place, so she fled the evil queen and came across the cozy forest cottage on my right, home to the 7 dwarves who offered her shelter and thanks for her kindness. Cinderella wished to go to the ball and her fairy godmother granted it, but when she didn't leave on midnight, her carriage turned back into a pumpkin shellfish on that small bridge you see there. While magic does have its limits, thankfully, love does not. Now Cinderella lives with her prince in that castle atop the hill. This goes to show what a great pair of shoes can do for you. Dreams can come true, and just like wishes, they inspire our stories here. While some dream of happily ever after, others dream of drifting off to sleep on hills of pitted flowers, like the giant patchwork quilt on my left that was inspired by the silly symphony cartoon at Lullaby Land. There's magic everywhere in Storybook Land, one of the many reasons this was a favorite of our master storyteller, Walt Disney, and continues to inspire stories today. But of course, we also love the classics like The Wind in the Willows with Molly Ratty and Mr. Toad. The songs in stately manner are coming up on my left. But sorry friends, say Thaddeus Toad is not home right now. He's in his motor car on a wild ride heading to nowhere in particular. We also have stories of magic like that of Arabelle that lies beneath those snowy mountains. So out the place of that ice palace above the fjord, her sister Anna refused to let her go. It was this Jack that she loved this favorite boat. In the alpine roads ahead, Wishlover Geppetto wished upon a star that his puppet would become a real boy. When Pinocchio rescued him from Monstro the whale, the blue fairy granted his wish. And here on my left is Oaken's trading post. Geppetto's wish is my goddess, so many fairy tales, like the one that led a little mermaid named Ariel to follow Prince Eric to the castle here on my right, inspiring her to leave her life under the sea and fulfill her dreams of becoming part of our world. Her story began in the grotto of her father's frightened underwater city of the island that are here to my left. It is here with the adventures spilled out and over, and like all good stories, ended in happily ever after. As I head toward the dock, please keep your fingers, hands, and arms inside the boat. When we come to a full stop, please remain seated. I'm going to count to 3, so everyone stands up at the same time, and no one falls over under the sea. Thank you all so much for joining us today, friends. On behalf of all of our storytellers here, we wish you the very best on the rest of your stay here at the Disneyland Resort, and of course, to infinity and beyond. Please remain seated, guys.